Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I'm gonna share with you what I purchased in Gucci outlet or Orlando premium outlet. We went there a few weeks ago, and I did went check Prada, Carolina Herrera, Valentino, and Jimmy Choo and Ferragamo. There's nothing else I can find. I found actually two items, Gucci, but the problem is the other shoe. I wish they have size 35. They only have size 35 and a half. The other one fits really good because I have my feet is small than the other side, and the other one it looks kind of big on the back. Actually, I talked the sales associate there, and he said like actually it's not that bad, but it's still up to you. So I ending up getting this because he showed me as well this one. The one that I like is the espadrille. It has at least 2.5 inches height of sandal, and I really love that one, guys. It's so cute. It's good for summer, but the only problem is because espadrille, the bottom, the one on your feet that you're standing on, it's like it's kind of rubbing on my foot, and it's kind of hurt on the other side because my other side, my left side foot is bigger than the other one. So that's why it will like against to the espadrille, and it's kind of rubbing it, and it's I don't want to buy something. Well, I don't mind because the price is really good, but the only problem or con for me is that the right side it's a little bit slightly big, but if I bring that out it doesn't so obvious, but when you're standing and walking you can see the difference that the other one is smaller, I mean bigger than the other one. So I ending up getting this one over here. Let's open what I show. It's sandal as well. I bought everything like a summer one. So this is what the receipt, and this is the one in this collection over here. So as you can see, there's two dust bag over here. It comes with this one over here and a care book. So I'll show you guys what I got. And actually this is perfect for summer, and this is a slide, and I'll show you guys. There you go. I love the flower print of this one. It's so perfect. Actually, the one lady that waiting for me to say no because she will grab this one as well, but I like this one. And here in Florida is always hot, and the material of this, I'm not sure what type of materials of the anyway, I forgot. Let's see this one over here. So this is the item over here. This is called Gigi Supreme Scent Blooms Blaze. So this is what over here that's named. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right there. So it called Scent Blooms Blaze Gigi Supreme. This is multicolor. The color is ebony multicolor. It's so cute. I found every time I go to Gucci outlet, I always found a good deal. I also bought the pink one, and it's kind of that's a size actually smaller, but it's perfect. I need to wear that more often. So this one is perfect with a beach or in a pool, which is really nice. So it's so cute. I love the print. Now I know what is the color of this multicolor Saint Bloom Place, which is really nice. And the back of this is it's like this. I have like a 3 Gucci shoes. The other one is Padrell, and the other 2 of the slide. So Yeah, the other one's more like a leather one, and this one's more like a rubber, which is really good actually, because it's perfect. Like I said, it's perfect for summertime. You know what, when we left over there at the outlet and going to Millenia, because our plan is we stay overnight and then go, because our hotel is close to outlet, and we only there for like a few hours, because I don't check more often all the other store. I only go check with a, like a luxury one, the Lux store, which is the one that I mentioned. And so I said like, I wish I going back in a store again, which is I did actually, but I never go inside to the Gucci store to get the other one, because I told the guys that maybe I will think about it and come back tomorrow, but we're ending up didn't come back because I was going to Millenia Mall. So I don't get anything in Millenia Mall. Well, I did actually. I get the Louis Vuitton one that I wanted, but I'm waiting for that to mail it to me. So anyhow, too much talking, and yeah, I'm just gonna share, guys, what I got at the outlet. That's it for my unboxing today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, don't forget to share and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.